Hello, I'm Jamie here at Friends Car Repair Corner. Today I am sat in my Ford Mondeo with over 215,000 miles. As you can see, the time is also 9:15, so it's a nice sort of early time, sort of in the morning. And I've got the whole day where I can, basically do what I want to do today, which is, tinting my car. As you'll see in the thumbnail, I've got this tint for £10, so I'm going to be doing, can I tint my car for £10? So yeah, can I tint my 200,000 mile Ford Mondeo for £10? Here's the film that I've got. So I have attempted and tried to do this before, ended up rage quitting because I didn't have the right amount of time and under pressure and all that kind of stuff. But today, I feel confident that we can get this done. Now, the hardest part is going to be the rear. I'm going to save that till last so that I can at least get the side windows done because they're relatively quick and easy. And then I can sort of struggle and stress on the rear one. But at least I've then done the other windows at that point. So that is my plan. So join me on the journey. So yeah, let's wait for all of this to clear up because as I say, it's meant to be a dry day, but it's sort of started raining a little bit. So I'm going to go inside, have a coffee, do some other research and some other stuff, and then we will come back and we will tint this Mondeo.
Okay, so I started off with using some Mr. Muscle window cleaner on the outside, giving it a good clean, and then I'll be doing it on the inside as well. So now I'm just placing the film over the window just so that I can get the overall shape of what I need to cut. And then I can start trimming it down a little bit more until I get to the correct size that I want it to be before I then actually place it on the inside of the window. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. If you haven't subscribed already, if you could subscribe, that would be amazing. I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers by the end of August because that will be my 1 year anniversary on YouTube. So do smash that subscribe button and like button as well. Thank you. Okay, here comes one of the most annoying and longest parts of the process. It's actually trying to defilm it, trying to get that corner, trying to peel it off. It just takes absolutely forever. I did have quite a struggle with this window as well, having to try and put it on and then take it off and trying to reduce all the creases and stuff, but I do get there eventually. I will also apologise for the camera angle. I'm trying to use my X3 like on a cap, but yeah, very difficult to try and get this kind of thing and do all of the work. So yeah, apologise for some of the actual angles, but trying my best. Right, okay, so now I am cutting out the template for the rear quarter window. I think that's what they call it, rear quarter window. The one thing I didn't do on this one was actually check what side the tint film was. I've cut it to the driver's side, but really it's going to be the passenger side that fits, which you'll see in just a moment. So that's worth making note before you make any of your pre-cuts or making your cuts, is to make sure you've got the film the right way around so that when it's placed inside the window, the sticky bit will actually stick to the window. Right, same again on the other side, and yeah, as you can see, it started raining again. But I thought, you know what, I'm just going to push through. It's only rain, but probably not the best idea. I think I probably should have done it in the dry, but either way, still came out good. See what I mean by how long it takes just to try and get that film off? See what I mean by how long it takes just to try and get that film off? See what I mean by how long it takes just to try and get that film off? Again, apologies for the angle. I thought I didn't get the right angle before, so I then changed it and put it to my chest, which obviously for this part is a bit too low, but you kind of get the gist as to what's happening. Right, okay, so the other camera that I was using to record everything died, but I ended up carrying on. So this window is now done. However, I have noticed imperfection there. So that is something that is under the film. Can't really do much about it unless I redid it. Okay, I've just seen a bubble there that I can get rid of. And what else? Oh yeah, a crease here, so where it kind of like stuck together. But again, I think it could be because of the cheap film, but again, I was just trying to do it, see if I could do it for a tenner. At the end of the day, it's just a bit of my time, and yeah, thought it'd be good content. And then down here, can't see it,
actually, so that's not too bad. But you can there, when I was trimming it along here, it then ended up, yeah, cutting that bit there. So luckily you can only sort of really see it in that side, can't see it there. So then we got this one and this one, just this now to finally do. And then I think that's where I'm going to leave it for part 1, and then we can tackle this, because this is going to be the long hard one. Okay, so I've cut out the template for this one now, so I'm just going to stick that on the inside and we're done. Right, okay, so I'm going to end the video there. Weather's not that great. I've also got now a banging headache as well, so we're going to call that a part 1. I am going to upload it and put it as a video. I know it's not a full video of me tinting the car for £10, etc. But you get the gist of it, so there'll be a part 2 where I'll then completely finish it, and yeah, we'll then go from there. So yeah, thanks for watching and join me on the next one.